Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's George. So we got a DR trimmer Premier. This unit has about 20 to 30 minutes of run time, and unfortunately the head stopped spinning while I was cutting grass and had to stop the project. So I came home, read the manual, and at first I thought I had to disassemble the shroud here and get to the belt. But they state that before you work on that, check for tension on this little adjuster here. And that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, show you how the strings spin, if they spin, and I'm gonna do some adjustments right there while the unit's on, and let's see how it goes. All right guys, so it looks like we have maybe about 5 threads here, maybe three and a half here. Let me get a close-up. So about 3 threads there, and then 4 to 5 up here on the top. And at first you could hear the string spinning, but you wouldn't hear the power behind the strings. So I did some more adjusting on there till I heard the sound that I wanted to hear from the strings. And basically now the new mower is working again. So hopefully you guys found this helpful, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.